We're here in Cape Town, South Africa, shooting the commercial for the all-new Ronin SC. We've chosen each beautiful location to showcase the various features. We took what users liked about the Ronin S and packed them into a more compact and lighter product. One of the most important aspects was to reduce overall weight without compromising power. The Ronin SC is built to allow users to operate their cameras even in the most inaccessible locations and still get perfectly stabilized shots. The powerful motors and built-in axis locks allow users to stabilize different builds of mirrorless cameras quickly and easily. The user interface was redesigned to be more intuitive and easier to use for new users, but at the same time, we've kept the terminology consistent for all users that are already familiar with DJI Ronin products. Traveling up to Table Mountain showed how light and easy it is to shoot with the Ronin SC in an outdoor environment where it's almost impossible to carry a lot of equipment. Thanks to the Ronin SC's intelligent modes, we were able to capture motion time lapses of gorgeous sunsets with ease. We didn't need anything else besides the camera and the gimbal. The soccer field near Camps Bay Beach showcased fast-moving subjects, and we even implemented a creative shot. The scene featured a lightweight setup and sport mode, enabling the shooter to stay close and keep the players in frame. We created a beautiful wedding on Ladundo Beach to showcase a single operator in a high-stress environment capturing precious moments while relying on his gear. The Ronin SC allowed the videographer to adapt to various situations and get the shot. With Active Track 3.0, single operators can track moving objects like a person, animal, or car. We're using the app on a mobile device mounted to the top of the camera as a tracker. The algorithms and deep learning do the rest. And finally, the Indie film set showcases the focus motor for cinematic focus polling and the capabilities of Force Mobile, allowing a second operator to control the camera. Force Mobile opens up the door for a second operator. While the first operator holds the camera and gimbal, a second operator can control the direction. You're able to get creative shots with an almost instinctive feel. The Ronin SC fits right in, capable of getting compelling shots with ease. With the Ronin SC, we've developed a gimbal that's ultra-portable, extremely light, and more intelligent than ever before. And we can't wait to see the possibilities it opens up for creators all around the world.